Hey guys, sometimes you'll hear a beeping on the ice maker. This is for 27 Riviera. Usually it's because someone left the door open, but the beeping is kind of annoying, so I'm going to show you how to fix it. So you take the filter off, you take a standard screwdriver, and you'll see a little notch right here. Bring this out here and here, opens up this cover. And then there's another little tray here that you pinch and open up really gently. And look over here. If you can bring the video over here. There's just a little bitty button. No, look inside this little panel. Yeah, little button here. You just hit that once, and that's it.
You want to point it again?
It's this little white button right there. You hit it once, and it resets. And then click this back into place. Make sure this goes back in the holder right here. There's a little groove right here and here that you put in. Snap this filter in. And voila. Thank you.